Hey y'all, how's it going? This is a 2019 Prius, and we're changing the radiator. As you can see, the AC condenser can be separated from both the radiator and the fan. You have to take the top and bottom support plates off, and we were able to pull it out from the top. So you just drain using the petcocks. So these two petcocks in the driver's side bottom, you drain one and then the other. And then you're able to unclip all the electrical connections here from the fan, undo all the hoses, and get that piece off there, the circular manifold. And assembly is just reverse of removal. I just used a bungee cord to hold up the radiator because it's not supported anymore after you get off the bottom and top brackets. So there you go. Hope it helps.